suction from the main unit, and I can get a good seal if I use my gauge in this manner. All right, this is going to be low. There's medium. And that's high. That's all the way up. Let's see how well this VL732 does with airflow and suction tests from the actual cleaner head. Now, I can only do 3 airflow tests because the filter up there creates the seal. So if I take the internal filter out, and of course, don't ever run your machine with the filter out, I get unusable airflow and suction numbers. So all filters in. All right, this is low speed, and I'm going to call it at low 19 CFM. And listen to the brush roll. It will actually slow down as the suction and airflow go up. Well, rounded, we're about 29 CFM on medium. Let's check out high. Oh, yep, looks like it'll hit it. It will. Okay, so 29 CFM on medium speed. Oh, nope, it's gonna hit 30. About 39 CFM on high. Is it going to give us any more? Will it hit 40? Oh, yep, it will. There it goes. The brush roll's at its slowest speed, and the CFM is just about 40. For the suction test, I'm going to start at low power and then move up the scale. Wow. That's a lot of sealed suction. Anybody want to take any bets as to how long that little sticky piece of reflective tape stays on that roller? Gets scraped off and sucked up. Okay, that's low power. This is medium power. That's high power. Well, the good news is it really didn't seem to slow down as much as I've seen in other machines, and that's a big thumbs up to VacLife. Believe it or not, the exhaust from the motor is all the way down at the bottom of the handle. So we're going to run this on high, and we're going to check out what the particle count is. Now, if you're new to my channel and you're not sure what this device is, it measures 3 different particle sizes. This is amount per liter. And you have a white vertical bar that's right here. If it stays anywhere in the green, you're in good shape and the air is plenty clean. So here we go. All right, if you notice the little white vertical bar here, it never moved, so the air quality coming out of the bottom of the handle is perfectly fine. Is it H11? No. Is it H10? No, not really. I mean, it's kind of getting close to it, but these numbers right here, they're plenty clean enough, and they're not going to do any particular damage to your existing air quality.